Hi guys, welcome to Linux, our YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I am your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to work with split command in RHEL 9. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is split command and their use cases. So as the name suggests, split command is used to split or break a large file into a smaller file in Linux and Unix system. Whenever we split a large file with the split command, then split output file's default size is 1000 lines and its default prefix would be small x. So guys, in this video we will review split command with some example. So for the demonstration purpose, I have one Linux virtual machine where I have installed RHEL 9. So let's begin the lab session. So first of all, I'll clear my screen, and guys, this is my Linux terminal and currently I'm using RHEL 9. So firstly I will show you the OS release version of this machine. So I go with etc red hat release file, and you can find out currently I'm using RHEL 9.0 beta. So let's start with the practical session. But before start split command, I will make two files for the demonstration purpose. First one is I make 800 MB file with dd command and make one more file with 2000 number of lines. So here it is the dd command. So dd input of file, I say dev 0, output of file name is test.iso, could be anything, and block size would be 100 MB, and count, I said counting go with 8. Okay, so it will take some time, so we have to wait until it is not completed, and once it is completed it will create approx 800 MB of file. The file name would be test.iso. Okay, so just wait for a couple of minutes and then we will see what result we grab it from this command. Okay, now it's completed. So I run ll test.iso. Here it is. So you can see I make a file named test.iso approx 800 MB in size, and now I'm going to make another file. This time I give the name ram.txt, could be anything, with 2000 number of lines using sequence command. So I simply run sequence 2000 and greater than file symbol, and the name if I is ram.txt, could be anything. Okay, so let's verify the number of line in ram.txt file by using wc command. Wc word counter number of lines, and the file name is ram.txt. Look at that. You can see the total number of line is in this file is 2000. Now our demo file is ready for the split command. So let's start the first practical of split command, which is split file into the pieces. So now we have the file name with ram.txt. So using split command we can to break into the small pieces. So the command is simply you can run split and ram.txt, and we have the option verbose verbosity mode with the verbosity mode. So now I can press enter. You can see that the above output ram.txt is split into two pieces with the name xaa and xab. So if I check the number of line in both files, let's see what we find out. So again we run the command wc-l xa and star. Look at that. You can see the both file has the equal number of line, that is 1000, which is the default one. Okay, so now move to the next example, which is split file with the customized line numbers. So let's suppose we want to split a file with a customized line number. Let's say I want maximum 500 line per file. So to achieve this this thing, we have the option, we can use a small l option in the split command. So let's remove the older one, rm forcefully xa. Okay, I remove. Okay, it's clear. Simple, I have the option split -l, this time 500, and the file name is ram.txt and verbosity verbose. Okay, now I press enter. You can see that Again I go with wc hyphen XA, XB and XAC and XAD. So you can see each split file has the equal number of line, which is 500. Okay, so this is how you can use split the file with the customized line number. So one more time I remove it for the next practical. Okay, now move to the next example, which is split the file with file size. So if you want to assign the file size, we have the option, we can use small b option. So using split command, we can split a file with the file size. We can split the file with the size in the bytes format or kilobyte, megabyte or gigabit. So let's split the ISO file based on 100 MB in size. But before run the split command, let's verify the checksum value of ISO file using md5 sum command. So I go with md5 sum, and in my case I create a file named test.iso. So I press enter. Sorry. So now we have checksum value of ISO file. Let it become first. So wait for a couple of minutes. So now we have checksum value of the ISO file, which will be used to verify after merge split files. So now I am going to split the ISO file based on the file size, which is 200 MB in size. Okay, so I run the command split split hyphen b, size is 200 MB and test.iso. So again it will take some time, we have to wait, and once it be completed, we will verify the output using ls-l command. Okay, so wait for a couple of minutes. It will take some time, as the size of the file, it depends on the size of the file. So in my case it's a 800 FMB and I'm splitting in on the basis of 200 MB. Now command successfully completed. We can verify the split file using ls command. So if I run the ls command, look at that. Here we have 4 split file, XA, XB, XC and XD. Now I'm going to remove the original one, test.iso file. So I say rm-rf test.iso file, it's successfully removed. Okay, now the point is how to merge all 4 these files. So we can merge these files into a single using cat command. Simple, it is very simple. Cat xa star greater than and the new name, new.iso, could be anything. So again it will take some time for the merging, so just wait couple for minutes. Now merging successfully completed. Let's verify the checksum value of new.iso file. So I say md5 sum and new.iso. So just wait and verify the output from the older one, that is test.iso. Should be the same. So look at that. You can see the checksum is the same of the old and the new one, no difference found. And if I go with LL XA star, so you can find out it's equally split in the same size, approx same size. It is 200, 200 or 200 MB. Okay, so now I can remove rm-rf. Okay, now move to the next practical, which is create split file with the numerical suffix instead of alphabetic. So in the above example, we have seen the split command output files are created with the alphabetical, like XAA, XAB, XAC and so on. So with the help of using -d option with the split command to create split output files with numerical suffix like x00, x01, x02, something like that. So let's see, take the example of ram.txt one more time. So split, I'm saying small d ram.txt --- verbose. So let's see, creating the file x00, x01. See, so you can see we have the split file name is x00, x01. Even we have the option to customize the suffix also. So let's see how to split the files with customized suffix. So we can simply run the split command with the prefix name. So we can say split and the file name is the same ram.txt, and I remove here split ram.txt and give the suffix name. So in my case I said new underscore. Okay, so here the new underscore is my prefix name. So now you can see new underscore AA and new underscore AB split files are successfully created. Look at that, new underscore AA and new underscore AB. So this is how you can customize the suffix also. Now move to the last example, which is generating n number of checks output file with the split command. So let's suppose we want to split an ISO file into the 4 chunks, chunk output files. So use -n option with the split command. We can set the limit number of the split output files. So what I'm saying, split -n, say 4 new.iso. It's new.iso, new.iso. Okay, so just wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, it's done. Now we can verify the split out files using ls command or ll command, and here you can see 4 split files created successfully. That is, here it is, xaa, xab, xac, xad, and this is how you can set the n number of checks output files with split command. So guys, as you can see, splitting files into the parts in Linux is pretty easy, and you only need to be aware of what is the proper tool for your tasks. It is worthwhile for any Linux user to learn these commands and their advantages. For example, when sharing the files through an unsuitable connection or through channel where the limiting the file size. So I hope the demo explaining how to split a file into the parts in Linux was very useful for all of you. And finally, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please leave your comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more update. If you like this video, please Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching us. Stay safe and goodbye.